Meaning of fruitlessly.
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 Fruitlessly. The term fruitlessly refers to an action or effort that fails to produce any positive result or outcome. It implies a sense of futility, as the individual engaging in the activity is expending time and energy without achieving a desired objective. A fruitless endeavor could lead to feelings of disappointment, frustration, or even despair. The lack of progress or success can further hinder motivation and productivity. In summary, fruitless actions may signify wasted resources and can lead to negative emotions and outcomes.